In this short video, I'm going to show you how you could create marketing copies for your business and your clients in minutes using real AI. Let's say you own an accounting firm, or you have a client who is an accountant. KB Partners. You could easily create marketing copies and content for this business in 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to enter the product name and description. Step 3, CopyBlocks will write all the copy and content you need in less than 60 seconds. Unlike other tools in the market, CopyBlocks uses real artificial intelligence and not outdated fill-in-the-blank templates, and the copy generated is 100% original, and it's written, of course, by an artificial intelligence. Now, the AI can turn a simple input like this into intelligent marketing copies like this. This AI is smart, it's intelligent, it's experienced, it is fast, and with it there is no need to hire expensive and time-wasting copywriters and freelancers. CopyBlocks actually gives you total control over your copy. You see, you could set the tone of your copy and even translate it into over 100 languages in just one click. Now here's what you could generate in just a few seconds using CopyBlocks. First, general ad copy, also Facebook primary text, Facebook headlines, Facebook link descriptions, Google headlines, Google descriptions, website headlines, website subheadlines, product descriptions, product pitch, blog post ideas, blog post titles, articles, blog listicles titles, blog post intros and outline, turn bullet points to paragraph, turn bullet points to blog, sales copy based on proven copywriting formulas like PAS, which is pain agitation solution, pain gain claim, AIDA, which is attention, interest, desire, and action, feature to benefit, before after bridge, feature advantage benefit, and quest sales copy. And even value proposition, company motto, company mission, company bio, personal bio, and so much more. The CopyBlocks AI will help you write intelligent Quora answers. SEO meta titles, SEO meta description, real estate listing, Shopify product features, marketing angles, marketing ideas, persuasive bullets, video topics, video script outline, video description, video script hook and introduction, email subject lines, review response, and so much more. And the best part, the free commercial license that's included turns CopyBlocks into a money-making machine for you, because you can now sell copywriting services across the globe and get paid for something that's 100% automated and done by
CopyBlocks. Now, for those of you that know me, I love simplicity. And quite frankly, so should you, right? Look at how simple the dashboard interface or the user interface looks already, right? Not a million drop-down menus, a million buttons, a million video tutorials, just a plain dashboard with one button, which is the only button you need. Easy and simple and not overwhelming. So let's get started. Let's add a project. We're going to do, we had accounting emails before. Let's say we are a, what kind of agency are we today? A Facebook ads agency. Facebook ad clients. All right. And the AI starts working and said, hey, welcome. I'm Ethan, a professional copywriter powered by artificial intelligence. I'll be helping you with your marketing copies. Let's start with a few questions about your product. What's the name of your product or offer? It's Conversion Booster X. Let's call it that. We click on enter. Then the AI goes in and asks, how will you describe your product or offer? Please be as detailed as possible. So we help local businesses increase their lead flow and website visitors with the power of writing unique Facebook ad copy. There we go. That's it. And we can create that copy literally with CopyBlocks itself. Please choose your preferred tone of voice. I like to go with friendly, but as you can see, we have a lot of different options. Click on enter once again. Please choose your preferred writing style. I'll go with highly creative. I'm in a creative mood. Who's your target audience? We'll say, no, let's be specific. Let's go with restaurants. Click on enter. Any language, there are 120 plus languages available. We'll choose English for now. And it's done. Guys, it's literally that easy. And I'll click on write my copy and I'll get tons of options to get the best copy written for me by artificial intelligence. So I can go and choose from social ads, general ad copy, Facebook primary text, Facebook headlines, link descriptions, Google headlines, Google descriptions, website headlines, product description, product pitch. The one I said pain, gain, claim, right? Pain, agitate, solution. There are more frameworks to this, before and after bridge. Like if you have all of this in your deck, you're set. So I'm going to, which one will I choose? Let me start with, I'll go with subheadline. Let's see what we got here. Generate copy. So if I need a good subheadline, here we go. Boost your lead flow and increase website traffic with Conversion Booster. We've nailed the perfect formula to find out who is visiting your property now. Conversion Booster X is a software that helps you craft a perfect ad message in minutes and lets you show a live preview of real visitors interacting with your ad. I can now take these, I can edit them, tweak them a little, or take them face value and use them for my ad copy, for my websites. Let me go to Facebook primary text. Oh, this one, professional, I'll go with friendly. It takes me minutes to write powerful copy, and I can choose any category, use it for any niche, and finally get some insane conversions. So, did you know that restaurants often generate at least 50% of the customers from Facebook ads? That's how much people love their food. The best restaurant advertisement industry, convenience store, farmer markets. How can you sell more food? How can you increase foot traffic to your site? So these are headlines. Have you ever walked into a restaurant where you're confused about where to sit? Wouldn't it be great if you could just read reserve seats next to the section you wanted? Now, what I can do is go ahead and combine these and create a killer Facebook primary text that will go along with my ad. Same goes for the headlines, and I can do this on and on. Give it a second. All right, these are really powerful headlines. Here we go. Reach more customers, straightforward, and it used this emoticon very specifically. If you were to run a split test between reach more customers without this and with this, you'll see a significant difference. And that's the power of AI. It has learned and known, all right, it gets better conversions when you have this at the end of this specific sentence, right? And that's how easy CopyBlocks works. You can use it with any offer, any product, any service. And I used a very simple offer, but it can be very complex and very unique. And you will still get all the marketing angles and ideas you need, right? If I click on marketing ideas, for example, and I would go with professional, click on generate copy. Give it a second. All right. Get more customers by writing unique, irresistible Facebook ad copy. Increase your potential for customers. Writing Facebook ad copy is super time consuming. Why not let us do it for you? Ooh, I love this one. Sales are sinking. This is a good pain point. Increase the number of leads you receive with a Facebook ad copying service. Very good one as well. You know exactly what your target audience wants to see on their screens. This is the best one by far, right? If I send this over or use this as a headline copy or as an angle to land the restaurant business, I have the highest chance of conversion. And I'm already 100% certain that I probably wouldn't have come up with this one on my own. So ladies and gentlemen, let me know, are you loving CopyBlocks so far? Phenomenal. The simplicity makes it effective, very impressive, super good. Wow. Quick question, should we use the same tone for all writings? It depends on your target audience, right? If you're, let's say you're marketing towards accountants, you might want to use either friendly or professional. If you're going towards maybe gym owners, your tone, you might want to go with confident, right? Because those are often a type of people which are very kind of extrovert and very confident and powerful in their speech. So we have all put that into CopyBlocks so you can have the exact tone of voice that works for the exact audience. Awesome, interesting, great artificial intelligence, great tool, buddy, most helpful, perfect. You have all the copy you need. Now, have in mind that you can use this for yourself or use it for other businesses. So let's say another business needs email copy, needs headline copy, needs blog post ideas, or just blog posts in itself. You can write them for them using CopyBlocks and charge them while you do so. So